Namaste guys. In this video we are going to learn how to solve this question. So what I have to find is I have to find the yellow region. What is given is a simple circle and some length 8, 6 and 18 and I have to find the yellow region. Let's see how to solve it. So let's write some name so it will be easier to identify. So let's say this is A, sorry, this is point A, this is point C, this is point E, this is point B and this is point D. Just you know that this diagram is not original to the scale. So if you are thinking, hey, that I will measure from my scale, no, it will not going to work. Now, let's try to find out the length of EB. How I can find the length of EB? So I don't know if you have learned in your school or not. So there is some theorem called intersecting chord theorem. Suppose there is this circle and if it has two segments, let's say there are two chords intersecting in a circle, then the product measure of the segment of the chords are equal. Okay, I know most people will not get it. Let's say the length of this line is A, the length of this line is B, the length of this line is C, and the length of this line is D. So what I mean to say is that according to intersecting chord theorem, that AB is equal to CD. Now by using this theorem, uh, okay, so I know that 818 but I don't know EB. So let's say C is what 8, D is what 18, A is what 6. Put these values, 6 into B, 8 into 18, 6 times 3 18, B is what 24. So in that way we have find the value of EB. Okay, so EB is how much? 24. Now let's say there is a point. Okay, let's say there is a point here and this is the center of the circle, right? Now what I want the length from here to this point. So let's say I draw a simple line. So what it will be length? So this length is 6, this is total length is 24. So the total length of this line is 30. I can say that here that AB is how much? 30. What is the half of AB? It is 15. So I can say that the length from here to here is how much? 9. And length of A, let's say this point is O, this point is, let's say, A B C D E F. So I can say that the length of AF is how much? 15, right? 9 plus 6, 15. Similarly, the total length of CD is how much? 1626. CD is how much? 26. What is the half of CD? Let's say I want up to. So what I want to measure let's say FG. So what is the length from G to D? It will be how much? It is the half of the length. So GD will be 13, right? If total length is 26, as you can see, this is the center. If I draw a line parallel to it, so this is going to at the center of the line. So this is how much? 13, correct? Now what I will do, let's say that I draw a line. Before I draw a line, I need to show something else. So here I can say that this is 9 and how much will be this length will be this will be 13 uh, because the total length from C to G is CG is 13 minus 8, it will CG is 13 and EG will be CG, that is 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. So this is equal to 5. What will be the length of this one? So 24 minus 9, it is basically half of it. So 15. So 15 and this length is how much? 5. So if I solve this, what I will get? I will get the radius of it. So if I this thing, and let's use Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? That hypotenuse square is equal to the perpendicular square, that is my f4 square, and plus fb square, that is my base square. So I don't know the value of hypotenuse, but I know the value of OF square. F4 square is 5 square, and fb square is 15 square. It is 25. 225 plus, okay, 225 of b square, and this will come out to be 250. Okay, so this is what this is OB square. So what is the area of the circle? We know that the area of circle is pi r square. So OB is what? R square. So I can say that area of the circle is 250 pi. Got it? R square value is what? 250. I doesn't root it. So R square is what? 250. So this will become 250 pi. So now what I will do, let's draw a line here. Now, while I drawing this line, we assume something that this line has equal distance. For example, the distance from here to here is 5. So this distance here to here is also 5. Now you will notice that there is some symmetry here. Okay. And I have to draw one more line here as well. Okay, this is not a straight line. I will try to draw a straight line. Okay, this is the best I can draw. And the distance from here to here is 9 because of the symmetry. As you can see, this is symmetry 9. So this is also symmetry. Now let's give them some name. Let's say this is area 1. Okay, let's change the color so that we can visualize better. Let's say blue. Let's say this is area 1. This is area 2. Because of symmetry, this is A2 is same. And this is area 3, symmetry. And this is area 4. And this is area 1. And this is a rectangle. Now, but I have to find the value of what? I have to find the area of a yellow region. So what I can say that what is the whole area? It is 250 pi, right? So this is equal to what? This is equal to 2 times A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus area of what? Rectangle. So what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So this is 9 and this is 18. So total length will be 9, 9. So total length will be 18 plus into 10. So this will be 180. Now let's try to solve it. So if I solve it, 250 pi equal to, let's say, minus 180, and this is 2 times A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. So if I do that, what I will get, uh, okay, one more thing that I can do is I can divide both sides by 2. So this 2 will cancel out. I will get 125 pi minus 90. Right? This is the value of what? A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. And this is what, uh, and this is basically the area of the yellow region. Now look carefully how this is the answer. A1 A2 plus A3 A4. Yellow area A1 A2 A3 A4. So this is the area of the region, right? If you solve it further, you will get more accurate answer, and it will be 302.7 square units. If you have any kind of doubt and queries, feel free to ask. I will repeat something so that if you have doubts, that will not issue. First question is how I calculate this length. So watch carefully. I know that A is 6. By intersecting chord theorem, I have calculated the value of B, that is E to B. Now total length of AB is what? 24 plus 6. So this will become 30. So I want the half of it. Half of it will be what? AF 15. Okay, so 15 minus 6, what I will get? 9. So this is the distance 9, and here the total length will be what? 8 plus 18, that is 26. What is the center? That is 13, because of the center of origin. So this value you can calculate 5. I have calculated the area. Because of the symmetry, the area will come 2 times, and I have calculated the area and minus the 2 times area and the rectangle part. What I will get? The answer. So in that way you can solve it. If you have still any doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.